Now I'm going to show you how to configure a Wi-Fi unit. I just have a general Netgear. This is a wireless access point, specific version. If you're wondering, it's a WN802. This is just a generic Wi-Fi access point. It actually has all the instructions on the back. It says my default access is http://192.168.0.233, and I'll tell you that in a second here. And it says my username and password to get into the software on the back of it too. If you don't have that on the back, it's going to be a little more difficult unless you have the directions for it. So once it's told me that, that tells me that I need to set my IP to a static in order to be on this Wi-Fi only. So I'm going to want to go up to my network and sharing center and to configure my connections. Open up my properties for that. And you're going to look for your Internet Protocol version 4. That's the one we generally use. Change it to this IP 192.168.0, and I could change it to 5 or anything between 0 and 254. And then your subnet mask, if you just click tab, it'll set it to 255.255.255.0. So you click OK. Once you have that set, you can get out of that. Bring up any internet browser, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. And then you're going to want to type in this address just like it says on the back. This is what it told me, so I'll type that in. Once I come to here, I'm going to actually change my password, and actually that's on the maintenance tab. So my password was admin, or my username was admin, and my password is password. You're going to want to change that to something you can remember that's easier or more difficult than password, but I'm just going to change it for password for this case. Click apply, and reload the page, and it'll ask me to log in again. So I'm going to type admin, and then password is my password. Log in. Okay. Alright, I typed anything wrong the first time. You're going to come to the IP page. This is where you can change your IP address of the Wi-Fi unit if you need to. If you've got a lot of people on your Wi-Fi, like 200 some, you want to set it so no one will steal it, because then it won't work and people will be mad at you. But then you're going to want to come to, generally you won't need to change your IP address. I'll just leave that the default. You come to wireless. Actually, sorry. Security, yeah. This is where your Wi-Fi name will be if you bring up on your phone the Wi-Fi options. This is what it's going to show. If your Wi-Fi name or SSID, whatever, I'm just going to call it office, so that'll bring that up. And yes, I want it to be broadcasted. I don't want it to be hidden. You can have a hidden one, but you don't really want that. And then you're going to want to change your encryption type. And you're going to want to change it to W.P.S.K.2. And then change it to TK/IP and AES. And then change it to whatever you want. It'll show you right here, but it won't show you later, so just make sure it's something you can remember and something you're willing to tell other people. And once you have that, you can click apply, and now that's saved. That's how you're going to want to configure your Wi-Fi unit, and you're done.